we pump so much money into ads, okay, so we can get some of your money. You can have more than you have because you can become more than you are. But unless you change who you are, then you can't have what you want. Then I guess instead of focusing on what you want, why won't you become the person that qualifies to have what you want? Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, and today's topic is your biggest expense in life is what you don't know. Your biggest expense in life is what you don't know. And let me say it for the third time. Your biggest expense in life is what you don't know. Somebody probably say, Sammy, what do you mean by your biggest expense in life is what you don't know? So basically what that means is, what you don't know right now, you sitting there watching me right now, what you don't know is costing you so much. It's costing you so much. You know, we spend so much money on clothes, shoes, watches, cars, you know, the crib, all of these stuff, like the stuff that we want in life. But then we don't pay, we pay least attention or little attention to what we feed our minds, every day. And that's what we're about to break down in this video. And let's get right into it. The difference between where you are now and where you want to get to is exactly the same difference between what you know now and what you haven't learned yet. Ooh, that was powerful. Please write that down. And what does that mean? You are just one idea away from cracking the code. You're just one idea away from getting it all that you've always wanted in life. Just one idea. Just one. Okay, just one. Jeff Bezos was just one idea away before he created Amazon. Okay, he was just one idea away. And because he kept trying, he eventually figured it out. Okay, so you are just one idea away. So all we are saying today is that invest in your mind, invest in stuff that would empower you. Invest. Don't just invest in stocks. I know all these things make you money. Okay, stocks, I want to invest in stocks. Okay, I'm making money. I want to invest in my business. Okay, I'm making money. It's all good, but then invest in your mind, because this is where you live. Currently, this is where you live, and it's not going anywhere. So why won't you invest something in this thing that God has given you? Invest in your mind. Benjamin Franklin once said, if you empty your purse in your mind would fill your purse with gold. Isn't that sweet? Isn't that some good information right there? And always know this: if you continue to do what you've always done, you will continue to have what you've always gotten, like what you always had. You will continue to get that. So make sure, if you're not getting the right results that you want, you change something small, because you are just one idea away from cracking the code. Whoever puts the most money in your brain has most of your money. Think about it. Whoever puts the most money in your brain has most of your money. So when you think about advertisers, I'm a perfect example of one. So what we do is we pump so much money into ads, okay, so we can get some of your money. So I entreat you today to pump most of your money, pump most of it into your mind so you can have most of your money. These advertisers have so much money that they put out commercials that subconsciously gets into your brain, whether you like it or not. They do it, and that's how they get you to buy stuff. So make sure you spend the most money in your brain, okay? Spend the most money so that you can have most of your money. Your current understanding is producing your current results. So if you need some new results, then you probably have to do something. Change it, because you can change it. So I wrote down some notes in my journal, because I do that every day, and I entreat you guys to do that as well. Write down something new every day. And this is the kicker here. Right now was 5 years ago from now, 5 years ago. While we may not be able to do anything to change what we are currently in, our crisis right now, we can make tomorrow better than today. Write that down. So what did we learn today? We learned that you are one idea away from cracking the code. You are just one idea. You can be the next Jeff Bezos. You can be the next Elon Musk. You are one idea away from cracking the code. Now, if you want to change our current results, then there are some stuff that we have to do now that will change our tomorrow for a better tomorrow. And let me leave you with this. For my physics folks, the third Newton's law of motion says this: for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And Samuel is saying this: for every book you read, there's an equal and opposite knowledge that you gain, which can change your life forever. And it's just how it works. Peace, guys. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you got something from this, let me know in the comment section. We'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.